I'm sure, like me, you've had days when nothing seems worth photographing. Same spaces, same light and same ideas. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower and inspire your photography, one 60-second tip at a time. So set the timer on your phone to go off every hour for the day. When it beeps, wherever you are, take a photo. Could be your car, the bus stop, your dog asleep, literally anything. And this works because you stop waiting for perfect conditions and start seeing moment and light everywhere. It trains your eye to notice detail and story. By bedtime, you'll have a series that tells the story of your day without a single word. And you'll realize creativity isn't in the place, it's in you. And this is just one of 5 projects that reignite your photography. Watch the full video to discover the rest. Linked in the description for you. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.